Hi guys, today we starting data types in Python. Our first data type is integer. There are two types of assignments. First one is single assignment and second one is double assignment. First I'll show you single assignment. A equals to 3 and B equals to 2. This is single assignment. Second one is double assignment. A comma B equals to 3 comma 2 is example of double assignment. The next rule is we can only perform arithmetic operations in integer data type. Let's check both assignment in some arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. First, we will check single assignment in addition arithmetic operation. As you can see, arithmetic assignment is working A equals to 3 and B equals to 2 is 5. The second arithmetic operation is subtraction. As you can is subtraction is A which is 3 and B which is 2. And the result is 1. The third operation is multiplication. As you can see, 3 into 2 is 6. In programming for multiplication, we use asterisk. Rest all our other arithmetic operations, which we discuss in our coming videos, I'll explain in simple words. The next double asterisk used for power. A double asterisk B is A to the power B. For example, 3 to the power 2 is equals to 9. Next is the division. We use slash symbol here. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Next is double division for floor value. With double division, 3 double divide 2, then the result is 1 because 1 is the floor value. Last is modulus. We use the percent symbol. It will give us the remainder. If we divide 3 by 2, then the remainder will be 1. In programming, 3% 2 will be 1. Another example for this operation is if we do 7% 4, then remainder will be 3, because 1 is the floor value. Last is modulus. We use the percent symbol. It will give us the remainder. If we divide 3 by 2, then the remainder will be 1. In programming, 3% 2 will be 1. Another example for this operation is if we do 7% 4, then remainder will be 3. So this is it for today, guys. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.